Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Well, they got a little bit more action going on with them. What's that? How far did it go?
Come on, halfway past the middle almost.
Yes, sir. Let's see if I can get you off here. All right, got you. I got him. Let's get you back in the water, buddy. Man, ain't no chains in here, man.
There it go. Okay, yeah. Get right on out of there.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Curtis!
That mug got a nice little size on it too.
Man, dang. Right back to back.
Right. Might have been the same one. Oh, look myself.
Well, be careful, man.
Let's see if I can see him. Let's see. It's the first time casting the adventures.
Oh, Lord. What's up, y'all? Close up. What's going on, guys? Oh, Lord.
Boy.
That was real close. Father done brought you some luck. Look at him, man. I shouldn't have told you that, man. Feel better, though, don't it? Don't it feel more comfortable?
Yeah.
I told you, man. Nice, Curtis. Dang. That's like the same bass. No, that's a little bigger right there.
There go wacky worm.
Hey. But see that? I don't like using that because that hook get down in there so low, man. Sometimes. Oh, you got some. Oh, that's good. So
Yeah.
it won't go down in there but so far.
Yeah, I like the small. They said the small hook help with the hookup ratio. That mug is nice though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this. I ain't gonna do no video for that. I'm gonna send my boy the picture. I need to send my wife some stuff so she'll know I'm fishing.
Oh, Lord, Curtis. Don't you get me in. I'll tell you, Curtis, don't get me in trouble, man. You better tell her you out here.
Cool,
I know. But you better tell her.
you let me go fish
Yeah.
all day, won't even call me.
You better let her know you out here fishing with First Time Casting Adventures.
I told her that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Let's see how this bad boy swim away.
Oh, really?
Shoot, this thing paying for itself.
Yeah.
If I get something like that and it work.
Uh-oh. Oh, man, he got rid off. God.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still up there.
Come on now.
Oh. Oh, he pretty nice.
Come on now. This gonna get one eventually, man.
Oh, I told you, this
Never
bait,
doubted you, man.
man, this bait never lets me down, man. I'm telling you. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's something. I think I got him foul hook. All right, let's get him back in the water, guys. Thank you for biting, buddy. Appreciate that. Let's put it back out here, and this is the Berkeley one. Nice. This thing really makes a lot of motion in the water. You said Patrick got what? Oh yeah, first bass on the board. Oh yeah. Bass. Y'all catch chain pickerels, I'm after bass. Hey guys, very exciting moment. I'm fishing at this place called Clearwater that I haven't fished in a year. Y'all check it out. Got them on a whopper popper, you guys. Let's get them back in the water. All right, you guys, just got on another chain pickerel. got something. So probably a chain pickerel. Chain pickerel.
They don't grip very good.
Oh, that's okay. Want that new dish clear to see if you can find something remotely close to it.
Oh, yeah, got some. But I was like, how you get some of those? There you go. Yep.
Yeah, I told you, ain't too much I ain't got in this bag, man. Oh my goodness. I need to check this.
Wait till I get a job.
Christmas last year. Christmas this year.
Caught all my chain peppers.
Gotcha. Hey, Patrick, I think you kind of miscounted a little bit. What this is, 4? 5. This is 5, you guys. 1 bass, 4 chain pickerels. Okay, let's get you off. Let's, all right, goodbye, buddy. Good gracious sakes. I'm going to bring it out the water.
You were watching the whole time. I don't know, Pat. Got him. Got the number.
Uh-huh.
You got that number, Pat?
It's that look at that. Papa doing all the work. All right, simmer down. As soon as you get this over with, we can let you go. Ugh. All right, you guys. Just got another one on the popper. He kind of sandy and dirty. Let me clean him up for you guys. They ain't big, but guess what? God knows it's fun. So, once again, they tearing the color off this popper, man. This was a 4-inch popper.
Yeah, it look like a 4-inch popper.
They tearing the paint off this 4-inch popper. Let's keep it going, guys.